In front of me is Nubia Pad 3D, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing options. Begin by launching settings and scrolling all the way down. When you're ready, select System. Now tap on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Lastly, select Text Correction. As you can see, all typing options are over here. To manage them, click on the switchers next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!